Happy 75th birthday.
Dear Bhushan, it gives me immense pleasure to wish you a very happy 75th birthday. You are one of the finest human beings, genuine, humble, loving, and respectful. God bless you. I've especially put the colored lights for you. I hope you have a super day and hope God gives you a healthy and long life. All my love and blessings. Bye.
Hello Bhushan, happy birthday. You have got Pitaji's smile and his calm, and you are doing very well. You have got your parents' blessings and ours too. Have a very good day. Enjoy yourself. May God bless you. Bye.
Now you can listen to it.
And a very, very, very happy birthday to you. You're very special. You remind me of Daddy so much. The same simplicity, the same honesty, the same no crookery, no nothing. And I love that about you. Stay like this always. And all my blessings, all my blessings, may God give you a very long, a very happy, peaceful life. I love you lots.
Hi Bhaiya, hi everybody.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhaiya. Happy birthday to you. From him too. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Many, many happy returns of the day. Lots of love. What else?
Yes, best wishes. Enjoy.
Hi Bhushan, hope you have a wonderful day today and a very, very happy birthday. Thankfully, you still got people around you that you can enjoy it with. Send us pictures of your cake and any other pictures that Uncle takes. Once again, have a really wonderful day.
1, 2, 3.
Hi Bhushan. Dear Bhushan. Very happy birthday. We all love you. Look after yourselves. Get out. Come down. Do whatever it takes. Make your son walk you down. Go to the park. Spend 2 hours just sitting on the benches. Walk slowly. Look after yourself. You need to look after yourself. You need to get your limbs moving. You need to really look after yourself. It's not good for you to be just sitting upstairs. And
Happy birthday! Okay.
Hello, Bhushan Chacha. This is Chand, Meena, Anisha and Rahul from London.
We're here to wish you a really happy
birthday. And wish you every happiness and the best of health and the best of everything. It was so lovely seeing you today on our Zoom Nagpal chat.
And since we've just celebrated Diwali, keep the celebrations going and have a fantastic birthday today.
We feel like we're with you in person as well, so wish you
lots of love from Chand,
Meena,
Anishka and Rahul. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Bhushan Chacha. We just wanted to wish you a really very happy and very special birthday. It was amazing seeing you today and made us realise just how much we miss you.
Have a great birthday. We hope to see you soon again. Take care and lots of good fortune for the new year. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tayaji. Happy birthday to you. Many girlfriends to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tayaji. Happy birthday to you.
So, Tayaji, since we've been having so many Zoom calls, we've been practicing our British accent.
Happy birthday, Bhushan Chacha. Taya.
Happy birthday.
Have a lovely day and a fabulous year ahead.
And a safe year ahead.
Okay, it's not British Broadcasting Corporation.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Chacha, happy birthday. I hope you have a really amazing day and I'm looking forward to joining the next family Zoom, so I'll definitely see you then and hope your day is really special and speak to you soon. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Bhushan Chacha. Hope you have a wonderful day, lots of celebrations even in this crazy year that we're having, and hope you're keeping well.
Hello Bhushan, how are you? Many happy returns of day. Wish you all the very best to you and your family. I'm sure you will be enjoying your day very well. And look to see you very soon. Be healthy and stay well.
50,50,555 बेस्ट विशेस के साथ हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जीजू जी. I am waiting with Ludo to play with you again very soon. Let Corona go. पप्पू की डिग्री के लिए तो आपने पढ़ा ही होगा और सुना भी होगा.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
May God bless you with good health and good luck always.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Master Ji. Loads of love.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Wishing you a happy and healthy life.
May you stay blessed and stay happy today and forever.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Masaji, namaste. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Wish you a long, happy, healthy life. Please take care of yourself and hope to meet you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Take care.
Namaste, Masaji. Many happy returns of the day. I wish you a long and healthy life. Enjoy. Bye.
Namaste. Namaste, Dadu ji. Many wishes for the day. Love you. Mwah. Namaste, Nanu ji. Many wishes for you. Bye bye. Mwah.
Hi Uncle, happy birthday to you. I hope your day is extra special. Maybe one of these days we'd actually be able to celebrate together, but wishing you a wonderful day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Fupaji. Missing you. Wishing we could celebrate together. Even though we don't see each other all the time, I'm always thinking of you all. I wish we could be all together celebrating, but please have fun, send pictures. Love and miss you so much. Happy birthday. Mwah. Also, my mom and my brother say happy birthday too. I couldn't get them into the video in time, but this is from them. Mwah.
Hi Papaji, wish you a very happy birthday.
So no, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Papa Ji. I hope you're having a wonderful day and all the surprises that you're getting today. And there's some more for you as the day progresses. And I wish you lots of happiness, Papa Ji, with a great health, and just keep smiling. Please keep showering all your blessings and love on us. And we love you. Lots of love. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Papa Ji. Just don't know what to say. You are such a lovely person. So humble, so simple, so lovable. and such a wonderful soul. I really feel you're just too good for this world. I cannot express how much I love you in words. A very, very, very happy birthday. May you be blessed with good health and lots and lots and lots of reasons to smile. Love you.
Lots of love. Love you.
Happy birthday, dear Bhaiya. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Be very, very happy. God bless you. Have a wonderful birthday. God bless you with good health and all the happiness.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Baby Nagpal. Baby, many happy returns of the day. Life begins now, okay? So let's get together and have a grand time. I'll tell you a secret. Do you know why I never introduced my girlfriends to you in Africa? Because they always used to run away to you. I lost them. I still think you're a charmer and you're a dangerous guy. Many, many happy returns, brother. Take care. Love you.
A 100 happy returns of the day, dear Bhushan. It's difficult to find another person who can be a very genuine, long-standing friend and who can be a model for people in his profession as an ideal journalist with an extraordinary commitment to values, to friendship, to family, to all perennial values that India stands for and humanity as a whole stands for. Bhushan is great, and I wish him at least 100 happy returns of the day. My wife Mona joins me in conveying our very kind regards and best wishes to him and his whole family.
नागपाल जी, त्रिलोक मलिक का नमस्कार न्यूयॉर्क से. Happy, happy, happy birthday. May God bless you health, peace and love. You've been a wonderful friend and you are a great person. All these years I have known you. Love you, Nagpal ji, and happy birthday.
Hello Bhushan, greetings on your birthday. 75th birthday is always something special. I am glad to participate in this celebration, although on video thanks to COVID. All the best wishes to the family. Please enjoy.
Heartiest greetings to you, my dear friend Bibi. Wish you a very happy birthday. I still have the fondest memories of our 40 years of association. You have been and are the still most lovable person I have ever known. I wish you all the best in your life. Stay healthy, stay happy, and love you. Thank you.
Hi BB, this is Sunit Tandon and I would like to wish you a very, very happy birthday and also many, many happy returns of the day over the years. May you have very many healthy, fruitful years of celebrating your birthdays in the future as well. Lots and lots of warm regards from me. Bye.
Happy birthday to you from one Bhushan to another Bhushan. We have a long connection of Nairobi and Kenya. And then we have a long connection in journalism where we spent our entire careers. As journalists, we have covered international events, conferences, interviewed celebrities, and enjoyed the good life. we have been a witness to history and also covered major disasters, both good and bad. And now we are not on the front line of news front. We have stepped back. And now we are both into Osho. Today, on your birthday, we celebrate the most precious gift that we have, the gift of life. Life that comes in and out with our each breath. Life that pulsates in our heart. It's the most precious thing we have which can be taken away any moment. So let us celebrate life. Equally important is love. Love which you started with your mother, then your father, then your brothers and sisters, relatives, when you went to school, with friends, and college with more friends, and in career with even greater network. So let us celebrate this love with Osho. This love will extend to existence, to the mountains, to the rivers, to the oceans, to the birds, to the butterflies, to everything. And finally, the fragrance is laughter. May you have laughter till you celebrate your century. Once again, happy birthday from Kulbhushan.
हेलो नागपाल साहब, जन्मदिन आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक। अंकित से पता चला कि आज का दिन आपके लिए बहुत अहम है। इस मुबारक दिन के लिए आपको ढेर सारी बधाई और बेस्ट विशेस। और डियर अंकित को थैंक्स कि उसने आपके बारे में मुझे अपनी बात कहने का एक बढ़िया मौका दिया आज। नागपाल साहब को हम पुराने दोस्त प्यार से बाबूजी कहते हैं और ये हैं भी बाबूजी। व्यवहार में सरल, सादे, बोलचाल में मीठे, सलीकेदार, बड़े मैनर्स वाले, नज़दीकी दोस्तों के साथ हल्का हंसी मजाक भी इनकी नेचर का एक बड़ा प्यारा हिस्सा है। मेरी और बाबूजी की दोस्ती की शुरुआत सन 1962-63 में हुई। दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के हंसराज कॉलेज में बीए इंग्लिश ऑनर्स कोर्स में हम दोनों ने इकट्ठे एडमिशन लिया। हम दोनों एक ही क्लास में थे। फर्स्ट ईयर से लेकर फाइनल तक साथ रहे। तब ये नैरोबी से आए थे। कोर्स शुरू होने के पहले ही हफ्ते में हम दोनों एक दूसरे के करीब आए और तब से हम नज़दीकी दोस्त हैं। तकरीबन 60 साल की दोस्ती है हम दोनों की। संयोग देखिए कि यूनिवर्सिटी की पढ़ाई पूरी करने के बाद हम दोनों का प्रोफेशन भी एक ही रहा, जर्नलिज्म। मुझे इनके फादर साहब की एक बात याद आती है। उन्होंने इनके लिए एक बार लिखा था, भूषण द बडिंग जर्नलिस्ट, और उनकी बात एकदम सच निकली। खूब नाम चमकाया इन्होंने इस फील्ड में, खासकर फिल्म जर्नलिज्म में। मैंने इनसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है। मुझे याद है दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक डिनर था। मुझे भी बाबूजी साथ ले गए। मैं एकदम देसी छोकरा था, देसी खाना, देसी आदतें, जैसा कि होता है। डिनर कई कोर्स में चला और मैंने ये सब पहली बार देखा था। कुछ समझ में नहीं आया डिनर के तरीक़ों का। जब सूप आया तो मैं चुप बैठा रहा। फिर कुछ देर बाद मैंने बाबूजी से चुपके से पूछा, इसका क्या करना है? ये मेरी नादानी समझ गए और फिर आहिस्ता से बोले, इसे पी जाओ, नमक मिला लो। मैं जब बाउल उठाकर पीने लगा तो इन्होंने टोका, अरे भाई स्पून से पियो। उस दिन मैंने इनसे 2 बातें सीखी, फॉर्मल डिनर का सिस्टम और टेबल मैनर्स। बाबूजी कॉलेज हॉस्टल में रहते थे। इनके पास आना जाना बराबर होता था मेरा। इसमें मैंने हॉस्टल लाइफ भी करीब से देखी और हॉस्टल के कायदे कानून भी। हंसराज कॉलेज अपने पुराने स्टूडेंट्स का अक्सर गेट टुगेदर करता है। कई साल पहले हम दोनों इस फंक्शन में कॉलेज गए थे और बाबूजी हॉस्टल के अपने उस कमरे को भी देखने गए जिसमें उन्होंने अपना कॉलेज टाइम बिताया था। वहाँ जो लड़का उस समय रह रहा था उससे भी कहा कि भाई मैं करीब 60 साल पहले इसी कमरे में रहता था। ऐसी कई यादें आज ताज़ा हो गई हैं अपने स्टूडेंट लाइफ की, जब हम दोनों ने एक साथ लंबा टाइम बिताया। बड़े मज़ेदार दिन थे। इनकी पूसा रोड की कोठी में भी मैं कई बार गया। पूरी फैमिली से मुलाकात हो जाती थी। प्रोफेशन में भी हमारी मुलाकातें बराबर जारी रहीं। संयोग से इनका दफ्तर यूएनआई और मेरा दफ्तर ऑल इंडिया रेडियो भी आसपास ही थे। वैसे लिखना इन्होंने काफ़ी पहले शुरू कर दिया था और खूब जम कर लिखा और बहुत बढ़िया लिखा। कलम और लैंग्वेज के तो बाबूजी एकदम मास्टर हैं। मैं इनकी काबिलियत, इनकी शख्सियत, इनकी शराफत का बड़ा कायल हूँ। इन्होंने हर फील्ड में अपना सिक्का जमाया है। प्रिंट और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया में, एकेडमिक्स में जर्नलिज्म पढ़ाया और सिखाया, पीआर में भी खूब काबिलियत दिखाई, हर काम में मास्टर। इनके जन्मदिन की मैं इनको और इनके परिवार को ढेर सारी मुबारक देता हूँ और कामना करता हूँ कि ईश्वर इनको लंबी उम्र, अच्छी सेहत, खूब तंदुरुस्ती दे और हमारी दोस्ती इसी तरह कायम रहे, चलती रहे। गॉड ब्लेस यू डियर बाबूजी, लव यू।
Happy birthday, Bhushan. May you have a wonderful day and a great year ahead. I take the occasion to remember the many wonderful times with you. You have truly been a great person and a great friend. Happy birthday again, Bhushan.
Watch it. To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Good birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.